Have a Coke and a smile, pear. Took my fingernail polish off. If anybody knows, I've had fingernail polish on for so long, my nails, you can't tell, they're turning yellow, and I don't know what to do to make them white. And I put base coat. Blue.
If you guys know couscous, everybody's kind of familiar with that. So I'm going to go around here and start my chicken. Now, boneless, skinless chicken. We're talking about reducing calories, reducing fat.
Like the bear?
Put your hands out. Put your hands out. I have something.
Number one answer was
Look at her watch the TV.
Wow. Said name is spring flower. You said tulips. Survey said. So who comes to mind when you heard the name Michael? You said Jordan. Survey said. Number one answer, Michael Jackson. We need something you put on top of a salad. You stung the nation. You said whipped cream. Whipped cream on a salad.
Aww. Have a Coke and a smile, pear.